Good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We had a cold front come through yesterday, late in the day last night, and that has allowed for what's going to be a cooler day today. A lot of clouds behind that front, and there's even been a little bit of light snow out there this morning. Now, this model has it all in southwest Nebraska, but actually most of it is in the central part of the state, places like Broken Bow, Ord, Albion this morning. So small chance of some snow around the Tri-Cities this morning, then more sunshine by this afternoon. A little bit of a northwest wind, about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and a cooler day today. Behind that front, we're looking at highs mostly in the 40s, maybe some 50s off in the southwest. Pretty quiet overnight tonight with mostly clear skies, maybe just a couple of passing clouds early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, notice the change in the wind direction. That wind direction becoming more southwesterly and then even westerly during the day tomorrow. That's going to allow for a nice surge in temperatures along with lots of sunshine. So we're going to push those temps well into the 60s and even some 70s out west. And we are not done there yet, folks. So we are going to see those temperatures into the 70s and 80s on Wednesday. Thursday, still maybe some 70s and 80s to the south. Up north, some 60s, as we'll see a dividing line with a frontal boundary in the area, and then much cooler conditions start to work their way in towards Friday, and especially for Saturday here, which I'll get into in your 7-day forecast in just a bit. So future temperatures here kind of showing that we are going to try to warm it up today into the 40s, even some 50s out towards the southwest part of the state. Over the next couple of days, again, tomorrow is the beginning of a nice warming trend. 68 was what I'll go with for the Tri-Cities area. Wednesday, upper 70s. I think 80 is certainly possible in the Tri-Cities. And if not in the Tri-Cities, certainly down in northern Kansas. A cold front actually moves through Wednesday night and then lifts back to the north as a warm front and stalls out around I-80 on Thursday. South of that front, it will be fairly windy, especially in northern Kansas, and north of that, a little breezy. High still in the 70s around the Tri-Cities, some 80s to our south, but again, cooler 60s up north. Then a low pressure system moves through Thursday night into Friday along with a cold front. It will become windy behind that front, cooler conditions, although the timing of that front will determine how cool we actually get. Some models are going a little cooler. Some are even going a little warmer still on Friday out ahead of that front. Chance of rain also moves in, especially by Friday afternoon. And then Friday night into Saturday morning, we may see rain start to mix with snow as it gets colder. Some recent forecast models may be trying to hold that snow on a little longer, or at least that rain snow on a little longer into your Saturday. Saturday does look rather windy. It's going to be a pretty windy Saturday and chilly. Many models are actually keeping us in the 30s on Saturday. So looking ahead, not the best start to another weekend, unfortunately. Sunday will kind of be determined by how quickly that system clears out of here. If it takes more time, Sunday may end up being a little cooler. If it can clear out faster, maybe a little warmer. We should see sunshine return, though, on Sunday, so that's the good news. But, yeah, unfortunately, another weekend that doesn't look fantastic, especially the first half of the weekend here. It seems like we just cannot get in a full, nice weekend. We haven't had one, and there are even signs of the following weekend we may see another system, maybe more of the S word. We'll see. We'll see. It's a ways away yet, though, so we have a ways to figure that out. So, hey, at least we can sneak in 3 really nice days here this week. Here, that's the good news. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Monday. God bless.